Hello everyone and welcome to Z Designs. Today I'll show you how you can create this clean modern style 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump in and let's start creating. Let's delete our text and let's type our text so we can start from scratch. The font I'm using for this text effect is Subspace and the font size will be 250 point. Let's center this. Next, we need to tilt the text a little bit. Let's go here, click on this tool, and after this we'll select this free transform tool from here and we'll tilt our text a little bit roundabout here. Let's center this again. Now we'll click on this none to remove the fill color. Next we'll go to appearance panel. Then we'll click on this add new fill icon. Next we need to apply a gradient color to this layer. Let's go to gradient panel and let's apply a default black and white gradient and we'll select -90 angle. Double click on this black point to fill the color and we'll use this color for this point. Next, click on this white point and change the location to 35. Next, we'll go to appearance panel, duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and we'll change the color of this layer. Let's go to gradient panel, double click on this point and let's change the color. Next, we'll select this point and let's change the location of this point to 0. Then we'll change the color of this point to this. Next, we'll go to appearance panel and let's apply a transform effect to this layer. Let's go to effect, distort and transform and transform. Here, first we'll make changes in scale section. For horizontal, we need 99.9%. For vertical, we'll keep this 100%. Next, we'll make changes in this move section. For horizontal, we'll keep this to 0 pixel. For vertical, we'll apply 0.3 pixel and we need 30 copies. Then click OK. Next, we'll apply an inner glow effect to this layer. Let's go to Effect, Stylize and Inner Glow. And we'll apply white color for inner glow. Let's go to Blend Mode and choose Screen. And we need 50% opacity. And we need 5 pixel blur. Then click OK. Next, duplicate this layer. Now we'll change the color of this layer first. Then click OK. Next, click on this arrow and then remove this inner glow effect. Click on this transform and let's change the copies to 0. Then we'll make changes in scale section. Change the horizontal value to 97%. Keep the vertical value to 100%. Then we'll make changes in move section. Here we'll keep the 0 pixel for horizontal and in vertical we need 15 pixel. Then click OK. Next, duplicate this layer and now select this layer and let's apply a gradient color to this layer. Let's go to gradient panel and apply a default black and white gradient. Next, double click on this black point and let's apply this color. Next, double click on this white point and let's apply this color. Next, we'll go to appearance panel and then click on this arrow and let's remove this transform effect from this layer. Next, select this layer. Now we'll apply offset path to this layer. Let's go to Effect, path and offset path, and we'll apply a 20 pixel offset path. Change the joints to round, then click OK. Again, we'll go to gradient panel and let's change the angle to -90, and then we'll go to appearance panel. Let's apply a transform effect to this layer. Let's go to effect, distort and transform, and transform. First, we'll make changes in scale section. For horizontal, we need 97%. For vertical, we'll keep this to 100%. Next, we'll make changes in move section. We'll keep the 0 pixel for horizontal, and we need 8 pixel for vertical, and then click OK. Next, we'll select this gray layer and we'll apply a Gaussian blur effect to this layer. Let's go to effect, blur and Gaussian blur, and we'll apply a 15 pixel Gaussian blur, then click OK. Next, click on opacity, change the blend mode to multiply, and we'll keep the opacity to 100%. Click on this arrow to close this layer, and now let's select this layer, last layer, and duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and let's change the color of this layer. Double click on this point and let's change the color, then click OK. Next, click on this arrow, then we'll apply transform effect to this layer, then go to effect, distort and transform, click on apply new effect, and first we'll make changes in scale section. For horizontal, we need 99.9%. For vertical, we'll keep this to 100%. Next, we'll make changes in move section. For horizontal, we need 0 pixel. For vertical, we need 0.3 pixel. And next, we need 50 copies. Then click OK. Next, we'll apply inner glow to this 3D layer. Let's go to effect, stylize and inner glow, and here click on this color and we'll apply this color for inner glow, then click OK. Change the blend mode to multiply. We need 40% opacity and we need 20 pixel blur, then click OK. Till now we have done a pretty good job. So this is how our text effect looking now. Next, we'll create a smooth drop shadow effect to this 3D text effect. Let's go to appearance panel and let's duplicate our last layer to create a drop shadow effect. Next, select this last layer and click on this arrow, and let's remove this transform effect. Let's remove this inner glow effect and let's click on this transform effect, and let's make changes here. First, we'll make changes in scale section. We need 90% for horizontal, keep the vertical value to 100%, and then we'll make changes in move section. Keep the horizontal value to 0 pixel and we'll change the vertical value to 30 pixel, then click OK. Next, we'll apply Gaussian blur to this layer. Let's go to effect, blur and Gaussian blur, and apply a 20 pixel Gaussian blur, then click OK. Next, click on opacity, change the blend mode to multiply and keep this to 100%. Next, duplicate this layer. Now select this last layer, click on this arrow, click on transform, and let's make changes here. First, we'll make changes in move section. Change the vertical value to 40 pixel, then click OK. Then we'll click on Gaussian blur and we'll change the value to 50 pixel, then click OK. Next we'll click on opacity and we'll change the opacity to 80%. Next we'll duplicate this layer and now we'll select this last layer. Again we'll click on transform and we'll make changes in move section. This time we need 50 pixel for vertical, then we'll click OK. Again click on Gaussian blur and this time we need 65 pixel, then click OK. Then we'll click on opacity and change the opacity to 50 pixel. So here is our final text effect look. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.